Welcome to Top Gun Time. Today, we're diving into one of the largest military aircraft in the world, the incredible Lockheed C-5 Galaxy. Designed and built by Lockheed, now maintained by Lockheed Martin, the C-5 Galaxy is the backbone of the United States Air Force's strategic airlift capability. This giant can carry outsized and oversized loads across continents, ensuring our troops and equipment are always mission-ready. The C-5's journey began in the 1960s, facing numerous challenges, including significant cost overruns and structural issues. But it emerged as a pivotal asset for military operations, from Vietnam to Afghanistan. Since 1969, the Galaxy has been a crucial player in conflicts, humanitarian missions, and even the U.S. space program. Introducing the C-5M Super Galaxy, the upgraded version with new engines and modernized avionics, ensuring it stays in service till at least 2040. With these upgrades, the C-5M boasts increased thrust, better fuel efficiency, and extended operational life. The C-5 shares many features with the smaller C-141 Starlifter and the C-17 Globemaster III, but stands out due to its unmatched size and load capacity. Did you know? The cargo hold of the C-5 is 1 foot longer than the entire length of the first powered flight by the Wright brothers. This beast can carry nearly every type of military equipment, including tanks, helicopters, and even large humanitarian aid supplies. Whether it's supporting allies, transporting critical supplies, or delivering aid, the C-5 Galaxy is always ready for the mission. Thanks for watching Top Gun Time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and let us know in the comments what aircraft you want to see next.